This is IKBuilding.eu and Lucy, and of a short episodes about healthy air. Healthy air number 1. What is the cheapest and healthiest humidifier? It's a warm clothes and lowering temperature. Sounds trivial, but the genius is in the simplicity. We should know that too dry air could damage the mucous membrane in our respiratory tracts, which lowers our immunity. Lower, so just lower in your home temperature to 90, 20, 21 degrees, then you will increase humidity and lowering your bills. But what does temperature has common with humidity? So everything, because relative humidity is related to temperature. For example, lowering temperature from 25 degrees to healthy 20 degrees can raise humidity about up to 10%. Of course, sometimes you will need a humidifier to get healthy 40 or 50 humidity, 40-50% of humidity, but will be much better than in overheated room. But when it's warm, so human nature tend to be lazy and comfortable. As we like sweet and fat food, we also like heat. But too much sweets and fast food is very harmful for our health. So we often overheat room up to 25-26 degrees because we have cheap access to heating. Just like with sweet and fat food. Very often in winter we use summer clothes in homes with limited ventilation, and after that we are complaining of runny nose, cough, etc. Coincidence? I don't think so. So I have small baby, little Lucy, in home, and all doctors and midwives recommended keeping around 19, 20 or 21 degrees, and it works with my family and my friends. So in winter, just put on warm clothes, lower temperature, and get more fresh and be healthier. More resources about humidifying in description and comments below. Take care.